Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office presents Unity Ride for Peace and Order in 3rd District of Negros Oriental. Members of Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office, headed by its Acting Provincial Director, Police Colonel Alex G. RECINTO, eagerly joined the recently concluded Unity Ride for Peace and Order that was actively participated by Brotherhood Riders, Negros Oriental Mission Riders, and Bishop Cup Riders. Last April 23, 2023, the Unity Ride took off at Camp Lieutenant Colonel Francisco Fernandez Jr., Cibulan, Negros Oriental, to the municipalities of Valencia, Bacong, Dauin, Zamboanguita, Shatan, Santa Catalina, and the city of Bayawan, making a U-turn around Basay Municipal Plaza, heading to the final stop at Pamplona River Resort. The riders made sure to stop at every PNP static checkpoint to show their full support toward the thrust of the Philippine National Police in preserving the peace and order of Negros Oriental. With deep ardor for the province, these riders expressed their sincerity and willingness to help NOPPO in maintaining peace and order, raising their placards to show the wholehearted support that they also once gave this unit during the pandemic. Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office remains grateful for these riders who have expressed their zeal in aiding our police personnel for the benefit of the entire Negrense community.